Hey guys, welcome to Creative Soft. I know many of you had asked me regarding if I'm having any issues with my Face ID on my iPhone 11. So one of the things what I had is unlocking the phone, and major culprit is this particular scratch guard. Okay, so when I try to unlock it, it was not happening. So sometimes it's not just working out, and other time it's just not working out, so it is just showing me the pin, and sometimes it works. So the issue is mostly because of the scratch guard what you all are using. This is one of the best scratch guard which I have used, and you also will know that I'm never rocking any case on my iPhone. So even on my Pixel 2 XL I never had a case, so I used to always rock this, like minimalistic. And I don't think so like there is a need to rock any case on this. um, and yes, coming back to the main problem, um, the issue was this particular scratch card which I had been using. So the thing is, it is interfering with the Face ID. Okay, and also sometimes when I used to take the phone near my ear, so that the phone's display was not getting auto off. So that was one of the issues. So what I did, I just removed my scratch guard. So I don't think so it is required if I'm want to use it the way Apple want us to use it. So as you all can see, I'll just make a test again, uh, over like how. Let me just try again, and as you all can see, it unlocks very quickly. So if you all are using any scratch guard, I would recommend you all to use maybe somewhat like a plain plastic ones, and not the one which is comes with like a tempered glass, because it have tons more of sensors which are getting blocked when you use the screen guard. So this is one of the best screen guards which I have used. Unfortunately, I won't be providing any link to the screen guard, but I won't be using any screen guard anymore. If you like this particular video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot.